are your hosts. I am Janina Van Hoven.
And my name is Mon Gualvez.
And today we're going to talk about something I am so excited about, and that is the Botanical Starter Kit. Alam mo kung bakit, Mon?
Bakit?
Very recently, I've become very passionate about plants and gardening. Whereas
Nice.
before, I was super intimidated, like most people are. Napaka-intimidating ng plants because they require so much effort and time and care. Otherwise, if you don't have a green thumb, they die. Pero dito, we're dealing with succulents, which are cactuses, so they are so easy to maintain. Very easy to maintain nga, kaya everyone is getting onto this trend. We've had this succulent trend, and the great thing about it is, as it becomes a hobby, we realize it's so refreshing, so rewarding, and you can place them anywhere in the house. You can place them in your bedroom, in your bathroom, in the kitchen, even in the office. Everywhere talaga. And you're not afraid of it dying. So I'm excited to share this experience with you and with our viewers.
Naku, sa sinabi mo palang, Janina, sobrang excited talaga ako at gusto ko na rin sumali dyan sa craze na yan. And very, very timely dahil Shop TV has an exclusive product to jumpstart your experience with mini potted plants and dish gardens.
Yes.
This is the Botanical Starter Kit, di ba?
Napaka-kompleto niya, tinan mo siya, sobrang
Exactly.
extensive.
Kompletong-kompleto na siya for everyone, even sa mga beginners na gaya ko, because it has everything. Meron na siyang 3 flared cylinders. Pwede ka mamili dyan. Diba? Merong amethyst color, may orange, saka ocean blue. Meron ding square planter. And of course, meron ding votive. So all of this, pwede mo pagpilian to pot. Dito mo pwede i-pot yung plant mo, di ba? Yung succulent. Tapos meron din siyang galvanized tools. May rake, may spade, and may trowel.
Wow.
At least padali mo ma-assemble naman yung soil later on. And of course, meron ding metal garden scissors, or at least to cut the unwanted branches and the weeds.
Correct.
You also have this mixed potting soil para mas maging healthy yung root system naman ng halaman mo, of course. And this, the pumice. It helps the soil drain the water faster.
Yes, at hindi lang yan, we also have some decorative items that you can include in your potting plants, which are, una-una, you have marble stones, and you have craft gems. And to finish it off, we have tea garden markers. So you can add kung ano, mga comments or even name your plants. So talagang, it is a complete starter kit. And here on Shop TV, we are offering it to you at a Shop TV exclusive price of 1,495 pesos. And meron ka pang free 2 live plants. Now, this is really a Shop TV exclusive because if you buy iba't ibang mga botanical starter kits, they don't come with plants. But here, if you call today, we are giving you the option of choosing 2 free live plants.
Nice.
O diba? Really, it is an
sulit,
entire starter kit, and you can get it started today na you don't have to go outside and buy plants. So talagang if I were you, I would call now 817-7000 to get my very own botanical starter kit at 1,495 pesos. So now we'll show you just how easy it is to use your botanical starter kit. Potting is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just choose your pot, fill it up with enough soil so 1, your plant has enough ground to grow its roots, and 2, to keep your plant elevated so you can admire it better. Next, place your plant inside the pot. Make sure to snug it in nicely. And here's the fun part, decorating. Add a few stones or gems. You can decorate your plant however you want it. And done!
So Janina, what do we do here now?
Yes, so here we have our sample botanical starter kit. So it's as easy as step 1, you choose what pot you'd like to place your plant in. I'll choose this orange one. And the great thing about these pots is they have the holes at the bottom. And what this actually means is it drains the excess moisture from the soil. So I'll choose this. And then second, you get your soil and you fill up your pot. Now, I've done this separately, and it's as simple as pouring it in and placing the soil there. Now, I would suggest to fill it up until the top or even until the ridge, just so that your plant is elevated and you can appreciate it better. So there's my soil, and then I get my trowel, and all you have to do is just create an opening in the center where we can place the roots of our plant. Now, I've placed a plant that I think is really, really cute because it's green na meron pa siya mga orange design and yellow. And this is a succulent, as we said a while ago. Now, succulents are cactuses, so very easy siya to maintain. Now, as you saw, I placed it in the center. The roots are snug inside, and you use the trowel again to make sure na talagang snug siya. So, it's very secure. And after that, it's time to decorate our succulent. So I like this kasi sobrang, yung white for me is very clean looking, diba?
Sige
so
nga.
I'll place it around. You can actually just put a little bit of sprinkle. Now don't worry about causing a mess kasi nga,
well, you can actually clean it naman
clean it
afterwards,
after,
diba?
exactly. Now what I like to do is I like the color gradient of the black and white. So I don't really fill it up to the brim. Pero
sige, dagdagan mo pa para mas maganda.
Oo nga, I placed this white all around. And as you can see, it's as simple as sprinkling it around your succulent. And to add a little more color and creativity, I will use these crystal gems.
Wow.
Now let us show you how it looks.
The crafted gems.
Yes, they look like little glass beads. So talagang beautiful siya. They will beautify any place that you place them.
Galing
So
ah.
I will put this here just around as, diba, pang-arte, ganon.
Oh, ang ganda!
And to finish it off, I have my labels. Now, you can label them. Some people, what they like to do is they like to name their plants. And they create like this really cactus collection or family. Pero ako, I want to give it to you as a gift.
Wow,
So, I will place
okay.
here two Mon. Oh. And
Wow,
then,
this is mine.
this is yours. And we are done with our
Ang
little
galing!
cactus plant.
Wow, thank you
What do
for
you
this,
think?
Janina. Ang ganda! Ang cute-cute
Diba?
naman ito. And
Ang
very
ganda niya.
relaxing talaga niya sa mata, di ba?
And I did it in less than 2 minutes.
Yun nga eh, parang
It
wala
was so
kahirap-hirap mo
easy.
ginawa itong succulent na to, itong plant na to. Ang ganda, ang galing, no? Ang maganda pa dito, it thrives anywhere, di ba?
Yes.
Imagine, it can actually be placed sa kitchen, sa bedroom, sa bathroom, sa living room, anywhere. Kasi hindi naman mahirap buhayin itong halaman na to, itong succulent, itong cactus eh.
Exactly.
Hindi naman nangangailangan niya ng much sunlight and
Or
much
even water. So,
diba? Kaya,
di na nakaka-intimidate yung mga owning of plants.
correct.
diba?
Ang maganda pa rito, you can actually be so much creative with this botanical starter kit. Kasi nga, you can choose whatever container you want,
Yes.
'di ba? Tapos you can choose different kinds of plants. Tapos meron ka pa nga mga decorative elements such as mga marbles, stones, and yan, yung mga gems na yan. Ang
Yes,
galing.
talaga, di ba? So what are you waiting for? If I were you, I would pick up the phone and call now 817-7000 to get your very own botanical starter kit today. And dito lang sa Shop TV, we are offering you an exclusive price of 1,495 pesos na meron ka pang 2 free live plants. Imagine, you have the kit plus
Ang
you
galing, may
have 2
plants
free
pa.
live plants. So what are you waiting for? Call now. Potting is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just choose your pot, fill it up with enough soil so 1, your plant has enough ground to grow its roots, and 2, to keep your plant elevated so you can admire it better. Next, place your plant inside the pot. Make sure to snug it in nicely. And here's the fun part, decorating. Add a few stones or gems. You can decorate your plant however you want it. And done!
guys, we've just shown you how easy it is to arrange your botanical starter kit. So don't think twice to get your own for the following reasons. Una, napaka-rewarding kaya to create something beautiful using your own hands. You gain new experience, you explore, and pangalawa, you decorate your homes. Actually, it doesn't just add beauty. It actually purifies the air. So pwede mo ilagay ito sa iba't ibang parte ng bahay. May it be bathroom, bedroom, anywhere.
Yes, and speaking of beauty, the great thing about having plants is it doesn't just beautify the area. It actually creates a different kind of ambiance. Now, as you can see, sobrang classy and elegant yung dating ng mga succulents na to. And the other great thing about having plants is it's very stress relieving.
Correct.
Bakit? It's so relaxing to make it. Plus, it's so relaxing to look at. And because it's so easy to do, you've actually created a new hobby for yourself. And who doesn't like learning new things?
And speaking of hobby, once you have used this botanical starter kit at gusto mo mag-explore sa potting and even sa dish gardening,
Yes.
you should visit the terrarium bar at Gordo's, wherein you can find a lot of plants, pots, accessories, even mga decorative items, lahat ng mga magagamit mo sa new hobby na gardening and planting na yan, makikita mo doon.
Yeah, so seriously, what are you waiting for? If I were you, I would call now 817-7000 to get your very own botanical starter kit. Dahil dito sa Shop TV, we are offering it at an exclusive price of 1,495 pesos. Plus, you get 2 free live plants. Now, honestly,
Wow.
Mon, have you heard of any other place that offers 2 free live plants with a botanical starter kit?
Wala, usually kit lang talaga, di ba?
Exactly.
So,
Now it's
bibili ka
really
pa ng plants?
complete sa ibang lugar. Pero here, we are giving you 2 free live plants. So if
Start
I
mo
were
na
you,
kaagad.
if I were you, I would call now 817-7000 to secure your slot today. Bakit? This comes in very limited quantities and you don't want to miss out. So again, that's 817-7000, or you can visit us online, www.shoptv.com.ph, or you can check out our social accounts, that's Facebook and Instagram, at ShopTVPH to get your very own botanical starter kit today.
So wag na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Pick up your phones, 817-7000 to get your very own botanical starter kit. So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Again, my name is Mon Gualvez.
And I am Janina Van Hoven.
And we hope to see you again next time, only here on Shop TV.
Potting is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just choose your pot, fill it up with enough soil so 1, your plant has enough ground to grow its roots, and 2, to keep your plant elevated so you can admire it better. Next, place your plant inside the pot. Make sure to snug it in nicely. And here's the fun part, decorating. Add a few stones or gems. You can decorate your plant however you want it. And done!